My name is Mike Hutchison, and I just had cataract eye surgery, and I'm praising what the doctor did. Dr. Tai performed eye surgery. It was painless. I'm a photographer, and I'm also on a medical imaging company. And both editing photography and x-ray exams requires good quality eyes. And I had left surgery done on my eye yesterday, 3/12/26. And went home last night and was on a web demo, and I saw my screen for the first time was white. I mean, we're talking starch white. So I held up my hand over to my left eye and then looked at the screen, and it was gray. And I'm sitting there going, whoa. I mean, it was just overpowering. And because I edit pictures, and as a photographer, I do a lot of headshots. One of the things that I've noticed in my old images compared to the way I could do things is I could see white. And sometimes when I was editing my photos, I was overexposing them, and sometimes I was underexposing them based on what I was seeing. And now when I look at my pictures and how I edit these things, I mean, totally amazed. I mean, I'm sitting there. Go back to medical imaging and x-rays. X-rays are white and gray tones. And with white and gray tones, you need good vision. And the cataract surgery and the lens that Dr. Tai put into my eyes, she gave me choices. She gave me literally choices of what I needed. And then I said, you make the changes. I mean, I told her I wanted a Superman size, and she says, I'm not going to do that. But what she did is correct my eye vision so I can now see clearly my white screens. I can edit pictures. I can look at x-rays. I can help my customers understand the difference in x-ray quality versus with the digital age of what it actually is.
That sounds like an amazing difference. And you just had your cataract surgery in your left eye yesterday, and you were showing me like the different color, what different the shades you were seeing out of your left eye and your right eye.
So what I did yesterday is, because I was so amazed, is this is true white. Okay, so you will take a look at my eye. This is the left eye that Dr. Tai did. So I could actually see the white that was on my screen compared to what my right eye that has not had surgery is this color right here. It's a dull gray. And I was actually using Photoshop, which has color editing and everything like that. And I can actually take this and actually see. So what I was seeing is white, I was seeing blues, I was seeing reds, I was seeing yellows that when I'm editing photos, they weren't clear. They were yellow, or they were this color or this gray right here. Huge, huge difference. If I had an x-ray image, I could show you the same thing. Whereas if you're taking a look at a lung or chest x-ray on somebody, you would actually be able to see the tissues, because of the tissues is white and not gray. So in theory, for me, it's an amazing surgery. I got lucky and found the right doctor. That's all I can say, and I had the right choices.
Thank you so much for the feedback. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you, Mike.